He's leading the biggest banking deal in history. Failure is not an option. The morning after the bombshell announcement in March that UBS was buying its failing crosstown rival Credit Suisse to avert a global banking crisis, Sergio Ermotti saw a surprising name pop up on his phone. The caller was UBS Chairman Colm Kelleher. Ermotti had left the bank barely 3 years earlier and was at the time chair of a Swiss insurance company. "I was definitely not expecting the phone call," Ermotti told CNN on the sidelines of a conference in Geneva last month. "When he called me and said we should see each other, I understood that it must be something very serious." UBS wanted Ermotti back as CEO to steer the emergency takeover of Credit Suisse, a deal his former employer had reluctantly agreed to at the behest of Swiss authorities. Despite stiff opposition from some shareholders and local lawmakers, Ermotti agreed to return, signing up for a high-stakes undertaking with no historical precedent, combining two so-called global systemically important banks. That list of just 30 lenders includes Bank of America, BAC, JP Morgan, JPM, and HSBC, and denotes banks whose failure could trigger a worldwide financial crisis. If the merger proves unsuccessful, confidence in UBS could be impacted, which has the potential to trigger instability in the wider financial system, said Anke Reingen, a banking analyst at RBC Capital Markets. "There are several reasons why it could be difficult to execute," she told CNN, from IT systems migrations and cultural differences between the two banks to the danger that the integration absorbs too much of management's focus at the expense of growing the business.